الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Have you ever wondered what it truly feels like to experience the sweetness of faith? What if I told you that the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, gave us a recipe for this spiritual delight, and it's simpler than you think? Let's uncover it together. Narrated Anas. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever possesses the following three qualities will have the sweetness, delight of faith. 1. The one to whom Allah and His Apostle becomes dearer than anything else. 2. Who loves a person and he loves him only for Allah's sake. 3. Who hates to revert to atheism, disbelief, as he hates to be thrown into the fire." Sahih Bukhari 16. Section 1. Allah and His Messenger, peace be upon him, are dearest. The first quality mentioned is that Allah and His Messenger, peace be upon him, are more beloved to a believer than anything else. This means prioritizing Allah's commands and the Prophet's teachings over personal desires or worldly attachments. It is about understanding Allah's infinite mercy and blessings, and the Prophet's role as our guide. A heart filled with this love naturally aligns itself with obedience and devotion. Section 2. Loving others for Allah's sake. The second quality is loving someone purely for Allah's sake. This love is not based on worldly gain, but on shared faith and righteousness. When believers support and encourage each other in goodness, their bond strengthens the unity of the Muslim community and earns Allah's pleasure. Section 3. Hatred for disbelief. The third quality is hating to return to disbelief as much as one would hate being thrown into a fire. This reflects a believer's deep appreciation for the gift of faith and their fear of losing it. Such a person avoids anything that could weaken their connection with Allah. These 3 points: 1. Love Allah and His Messenger, peace be upon him above all else. 2. Love others sincerely for the sake of Allah. 3. Detest disbelief and cling to faith. By embodying these qualities, a believer tastes the sweetness of faith, an indescribable joy and fulfillment that only comes from truly connecting with Allah. Let us strive to cultivate these qualities in our lives and experience the beauty of faith as described by our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. May Allah guide us and grant us the sweetness of Iman. Ameen. For more Islamic reminders, subscribe and share this message of faith. Jazakum Allahu khairan.